Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get Westjet Silver status. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, what you need to do is go and log into Westjet or just go and register if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, we have the flights, vacations, and offers, and we have the option to book a flight, where you can put all of your information and get to book your very own flight. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, where also you can go and click on View Account to check out your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get Westjet Silver status. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, with a tire tier qualifying spending over of 3K US dollars, you'll enjoy a 3% earn rate on Westjet flights, a 1% earn rate on Westjet vacation packages, 2 free checked bags, priority check-in, zone 2 boarding, and more. So all you need to do there, guys, is just go and spend the 3K US dollars to qualify. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.